video. I had a great day. Just like I said, I like to take care of my clients and just kind of, I want to let y'all kind of into my world as far as like my lifestyle and just kind of let y'all see how I move a little bit and just trying to be productive with my day and make sure that I'm doing the best services and stuff that I can for my clients. I'm a barber first, and I love doing it. I've been doing this for a while now, and so you'll see, you know, just throughout this video, how I take care of my clients, how I groom them, how I talk to them, just conversation, regular everyday stuff, man. So, but I really want to be on the topic of pushing content. So, if you're new to this or whatever, just try not to get too caught up in getting too much work piled up on you. Like, just try to stay on a certain type of schedule if you can, and you know, just push out videos and just create content as much as possible. But I need to get my subscribers up there, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button right now. Hit that like notification. Hit that turn on notification when I post, man. Y'all already know. Support your boy. I need it, man. Cause my numbers is low right now. I'm doing all right on Instagram though. You know, Instagram. I think, you know, I got 11K. You know, just 11,000 followers. You know, hey, I did all right. But you know, I'm trying to break into the YouTube world now, man. YouTube, where's it at, man? Yeah, YouTube, buddy. Yeah, YouTube is where it's at, man.
That's where I'm gonna take over.
But YouTube, you go on there just to look at one video, next thing you know, you can spend 10, 12 hours looking up videos. YouTube take all your time up. Dang, boy.
You need answers, you need to look up something.
How to. The most typed in word on YouTube, how to.
Got 7 kids, it's 5 now.
He had 7 kids? The daughter was the most famous one. Just create content as much as possible because it's important these days, just developing you and your style. And remember, there's only one you. So, you know, just keeping that in mind, man. I just want to be here to motivate y'all. I got a lot of different things I'm going to be doing with the channel moving forward. And so we're going to mix up a lot of different things. I'm going to have guests come on. We're going to chop it up and have barbershop talk. And I'm going to let y'all into my fitness world, me working out the gym. I just had surgery earlier this week, so I can't really do too much. But be looking forward to a lot of different things on the channel. I don't want to put myself in a box, so don't expect just one thing from me. I'm very creative, so that's the lane I try to stay in. I try to stay really positive, but one thing I can guarantee you for this channel is just positivity, good vibes only, no negative stuff, man, and just straight encouragement. So just come along with your boy on this ride, on this journey, man, and like I said, I'm excited and moving forward. And so we're gonna mix up a lot of different things. I'm gonna have guests come on, we're gonna chop it up and have barbershop talk, and I'm gonna let y'all into my fitness world, me working out the gym. I just had surgery earlier this week, so I can't really do too much. And I can't eat my regular prep food because I can't, you know, my mouth is still sore or whatever, but I'm trying to get back to normal. Should I deal myself? Yes, sir. Was it good?
Yes, sir.
How's that on the part? That was good? Okay. Alright, man. I'll see you on the next one. Alright, boy. I'll see you, man. Have a good day, bro. Alright. I don't know where we about to go, but I'm about to take y'all with me. Take my laptop out, try to get some work done, some editing for Instagram or whatever, and so I can keep that promotion up. So, alright, man. Hey, catch me on lunch. YouTube, alright, we back. We out here. I'm about to get something to eat. I just had surgery on my mouth Monday. I had 3 wisdom teeth taken out, so I gotta kind of watch what I'm ordering. I can't really have nothing hard, but we're gonna go eat some Cajun food, man. And then we're gonna go down to the coffee shop after that, man. So we got like an hour and a half of break. Bring y'all right with me, man. Come on. crawfish etouffee. Sometimes, you know, I try to keep up with what's going on a little bit, not too much because I'm just so focused on my goals. But I literally just got the alert from ESPN. They said Klay Thompson just tore his Achilles, and that's another season-ending injury. That's 2 years in a row that he's about to miss. And so, man, big ups to Klay Thompson, man. I'm sorry to hear that. And Bobby Brown, too, man. Let me know what y'all think about this whole situation if you haven't heard yet. Bobby Brown just lost another kid that passed away, man. I don't really know the details, but, man, show them some love in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about what's going on. It seems like everybody's trying to get out of 2020, but 2021 is not guaranteed to go the way people want it either. So, man, you know, I got me some crawfish etouffee. A little gravy. You know, it's not too hard, so I just try to get something that was soft that I can eat. It's a little hot right now. My mouth's still sensitive, but anyway, about to try to eat as much as I can without my mouth hurting. But yeah, man. So after this, we're gonna go down there to the coffee shop, chop it up, work on some editing for on my laptop, and just talk about some motivation and just trying to finish out the year strong. So see y'all on the next one. On to the next bite. About to head to this coffee shop. Work on some videos, some haircut videos, and chop it up. So what I like to do when I go on my lunch break, if I can, I'll try to find a coffee shop, which I have one really close to my barber shop. So right here, I just try to take out the time to, edit and just get things done. I like to do a lunchtime post, and then I like to do a bedtime post. Baby, hey, I got some more shirts on the way, some more colors too, man. Elevation, man. Elevation Grooming Studio, it's the business. Make sure y'all put y'all mask on before y'all go in these business. Mask required, baby. One thing about being an entrepreneur, man, you gotta be willing to invest in your craft, invest in yourself. You have to buy things, can't be too cheap. You wanna get some good quality stuff. So if I have enough time, my lunch is like an hour or an hour and a half, I at least try to take out 20 minutes of editing time to post something real quick. For anybody who want to know the editing software that I use Premiere Pro to edit my videos. I started out with iMovie, but I use Premiere Pro. Pictures or a quick little video. That way I can make sure I have content ready to go. That way I can attract the clientele that I want and just be consistent. So you want to remember that, just take out the time, find your coffee shop. It's pretty dope if you can find one, and just get your laptop. Just stay ready. Always keep your laptop with you. That's my tip, is to always keep your stuff with you. All right, so usually what I like to do on my lunch break, because I like to create content. So quick tip is this: just try to take out like 15, 20 minutes out of your lunch. If you got like let's say if your lunch break is an hour, try to take out like 15, 20 minutes to make a quick post and quick edit. That way you can have something posted for lunchtime. That way people just sitting down, having something to eat, they can check your page out while you make that quick post. Try not to leave the house with it. That's one of the mistakes that I used to make in the beginning, thinking that I didn't need my laptop all the time, but I always try to keep it with me as much as possible. So keep your laptop, keep your memory cards, keep your cameras and stuff ready to go. If you don't have like a DSLR camera, just use your iPhone or whatever phone device that you have. Like so many different ways that you can create content with the apps and everything like that. So I like to come to this coffee shop just because it's got good vibes and it's enjoyable, and it's just a great place for me to kind of clear my head and get outside the barbershop so I can focus in and work. Okay, another topic, networking. Networking is so important. So making sure that you vibing with people that's in the same wavelength as you, that's really important for the business, man. Throw a shout out for somebody. It doesn't hurt to, show love to somebody that that's in the same industry or a different industry, but just networking and getting to know people, that's really important. So try to keep that in mind. And it's my homegirl right here, the dread lady. Make sure y'all follow her on Instagram. She do locks, man. She goes super hard at it. So make sure y'all give her a follow, follow on social media. So just want to step over here and show some love. She's right around the corner from me. Like I said, we're located in Dale City, Oklahoma. Just be open-minded to, it's not just being just about you. So, you never know who you come across. You never know who you're going to meet. And so just like my friend right here, the dread lady, she's very talented with natural hair, loctician, and she's very professional. She's quiet, but that's her style. She's trying to come out of her shell, but that's my homegirl. She works really, really hard, takes care of her family, and man, I just want y'all to show us some love by giving her a follow, man. That's the Dread Lady on Instagram. What you got to say, T? Something come through?
Shoot, you said everything. Social media is at the Dread Lady.
How you spell that?
It's with the I, so it's the DREADLADI, not Y.
Yeah, she real particular about that, so make sure y'all spell that right. But we're gonna put that in that video anyway, so y'all be able to see it anyway visually. So, but I'm about to get out, man. I gotta go back to work. I'm done with my lunch break. Peace out.
Appreciate you.
Hey, I like my clone. Remember my clone? Check out my other YouTube videos, man. My clone been tripping some time, man. Hey, boy, better chill out. What's going on, bro? Good, man. You don't mind being on camera, do you? Okay. Bro? Good old lunch. Just walked around the corner. I'm gonna start that over here. Get up in that scalp, boy.
Yeah.
How's work been today? Been all right? Have you been working today?
Yeah, man. Me and my boss kind of been at odds, man. So
Okay.
me and him kind of been going back and forth all week.
Gotcha. It'll be like that sometimes.
Yeah.
Looking forward to a lot of different things on the channel. I don't want to put myself in a box, so don't expect just one thing from me. I'm very creative, so that's the lane I try to stay in. I try to stay really positive, but one thing I can guarantee you for this channel is just positivity, good vibes only, no negative stuff, man, and just straight encouragement. So just come along with your boy on this ride, this journey, man, and like I said, I'm excited, and I'm trying to keep doing this more often. Come on in, Troy. Alright, so give me like probably about 3 minutes. Just wash your hands for me, and I'm gonna come outside and meet you because I'm recording this interview. So I got like 3 minutes left. I'm just doing like a voice talk over, then we done. Yeah, we already filmed 4 hours work, so we start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, pulling up. Hey, bro, take care, man. Take care, man. How long you been over this one? Since April 1st, 2019. Okay. So, April would be, so a little bit of my world, like when it comes to my clients, when it comes to just my profession, what I do, I would really love to pamper. I really love to take out the time to shampoo the hair. I love to take out the time to put the hot towels on their face and the massagers and the sprays, all the different products and stuff that I know. And I'm really heavily into educating myself and taking classes and learning. And so I really enjoy just taking care of my clients and making them feel like they, on vacation, like they want to escape, they have a getaway. And that's the environment that I create, from the music, from the smell, to how clean my shop is. I really try to take that into consideration because you just want to be making sure that your environment is professional and clean and welcoming. So, when they come in, I make sure I greet them and not ignore them. So that's really important to me. I really love creating an environment that is going to be suitable for them. And so like you'll see a lot on this channel. We're gonna mix it up a lot. So you'll see me taking care of my clients, laughing with them, cutting, joking, listening to good music, talking about up-to-date topics, and I'm gonna do a better job of trying to keep up with certain things, but definitely pushing out a lot of content with my clients. G.O.10, this is my little buddy right here. I've been cutting him since he was 1 year old, man. So one of my great clients right here. I'm gonna throw him the football. Hey, Google me. I play a little bit of football, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna tell you how far I went, but no, I'm just playing with y'all. All right, come on, let's catch this pass. Oh, get it, y'all. Oh! Okay, that was my bad. That was my bad. I'm rusty, man. I'm rusty, but that was my buddy right there, man. I'm about to cut his hair real quick. And then, oh. Okay, I still got a little bit of hands. All right. Yeah, y'all still in school right now, or y'all virtual?
In school.
Okay.
Fast.
If I can do it over, I would do baseball, golf.
I play golf.
I don't like running, so I'm gonna do soccer. And tennis.
Soccer's fun.
If I can do it over.
When you're high school team captain.
Oh, you was? The captain, huh? Oh, you doing a breakdown? Bring it in, guys. Bring it in, fellas. Stay tuned and just watch and learn, man. Take what you can take from it, but most importantly, just make sure that y'all hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button. I need to get my subscribers up. YouTube, I appreciate y'all. I got a lot more coming, and you never know what to expect coming from me. And yeah.